How to select aftermarket screen assembly. Introducing Aftermarket New Standard 3.0. Aiming to select the best quality, iPhone 10 and above series, screen assembly product with the highest cost performance and with the fewer aftersales, DBX Aftermarket New Standard 3.0, testing all the quality on the market and finally sort out the top 11 quality suits for your repair business and classify them into the DS Plus, the aftermarket supreme quality, adopts the original screen soft OLED technology and the original G plus F touch structure, is independently developed and produced by DBX-owned/invested factories and conducts strict quality inspections. The display and touch effect of the DS Plus are the most original-like and ensure a full-size display window. DS, aftermarket high-end quality. It brings together mid to high-end products carefully selected by DBX. For using XL or similar standard glass material, adopting hard OLED technology can ensure an original display effect, but the bottom edge bezel is slightly thicker than soft OLED, and because the material is more brittle, the service life is lower than soft OLED. DA, the aftermarket standard quality. This level brings together cost-effective products carefully selected by DBX. Using AUO or similar standard glass material, adopts high-yield in-cell technology, the same technology on the iPhone XR/11, and the COG packaging technology, can bring sensitive touch and wider luminance. After explaining the quality classification, next, we'll test and compare the hot-selling iPhone 10 aftermarket screen assembly in light of resolution, bottom edges thickness, polarizer, side viewing angle, and luminance to see how they performed. First, let's compare the resolution. For all adopted FHD refresh rates, the touch grid of the four screens is not much different. The grid lines are very dense, and the imaging effect is clear. And among the DS quality, the only screen with HD refresh rate, the imaging effect is slightly poorer than that of FHD, but the difference to the naked eye is not great. Second, let's measure the thickness of the bottom edge. We measured a total of 14 selected screens and presented 4 representative ones. We can see that DS Plus uses the same COF bonding process as OEM, so the bottom edge thickness is similar. DS and DA use the COG bonding process, and the cables are placed at the bottom of the frame so is about 0.15 mm thicker than DS Plus, but this difference it is not obvious to the naked eye. And then the polarizer, they are all 360 degrees visible, only some DA qualities will briefly turn black at certain angles, showing 180 degrees viewing angles. Next, the color of the side viewing angle, DS Plus and DS quality, the side viewing angle does not change color, the color is stable. DS quality, it will change color at certain angles. Last, in the luminance comparison, we can see that the luminance of all qualities is between 500 to 600 CD/. There is not much difference, and all are close to OEM. This is the quality of glass that can be selected for DBX Aftermarket Classification 3.0 after our rigorous testing. You can compare and find out the one that suits you. You can contact our sales team now for more product classification details. DBX has its own factory and R&D team. It has been in the business for 25 years. It has rich procurement resources and a professional QC team. We have held the latest product technology and product supply information in the market to ensure that you can select the most suitable one from numerous products. At the same time, we have developed a complete product production, selection, and testing process. We only sell products that have passed the test and ensure that each product is individually tested before delivery to ensure a 100% well-functional and make sure our products are the best quality and similar price. Therefore, if you need a stronger vendor partner, DBX will be a wise choice for you.